This man struggles and tries to slip free, but the group keeps him locked in place. No one is letting go. You see, they are all waiting for something or someone. Seconds later, a police officer pushes through the crowd. The group explains what happened, and that's when the truth comes out. The man they're holding was accused of touching a girl inappropriately on the train moments earlier. The commuters stopped him before he could escape and handed him straight to the police. If something like this happened where you live, how do you think people would react?